Sehlopha sa Nka'Thuto se ile sa khutlela ramolotsi for the second tier iling workshop. Ke hona moo baithuti ba ne ba rutwa the research and methodology skills. Monate wa workshop ke hore baithuti ba rutana. Ebe motataisi o tswang from a science field ena o teng fela ho thusa mokgwa wa ho ithuta.
Photosynthesis is essential for the plant growth, is the sun, is the energy source.
We have already discussed that matter can exist in what? Three forms, ne? And then we've looked at those three forms. There's a question there that we need to discuss. What can we do to solve the problem?
Ba rutwa ho rarolla bothata ba sebedisa science.
You give project the title, right? The title is water purification. My title is waste management. Okay. Why am I doing it? And then I get to think. Then I have to think about the hypothesis. Firstly, before I can get to the hypothesis, I have to make other people understand what is waste management. You get it? What is waste management? Why are you purifying water? You check. Okay. The problem that I have identified is water scarcity. So I want to come up with a machine that's going to be able to draw water from the river and purify it for human consumption. You get it? You tell us, you give us the insight, the literature, the background info about what you're going to do. That's an introduction. You are introducing me to your project. Then you go for hypothesis. Hypothesis is a scientific guess.
Ka mora workshop, baithuti ba tlamehile ho tseba ho rarolla bothata ka STEM. Ebe ba etse dipatlisiso le ditsebo tsa mokgwa for the third tier in consultations with STEM professionals who will be giving light to new ideas.